I'm Mariana and welcome to Creation Odyssey. So guys, I'm super excited for today. It's the first Fabulous Figure Friday. I don't know why I said fabulous, but we're gonna roll with it. It's a Fabulous Figure Friday. And I also have another first with me in my hands. I have the first tan skin Azone International dolls. Super excited for this. I think it's a very big deal when a larger company starts to branch out with skin colors and starts to experiment more. That means we're gonna start getting more variety in characters and seeing characters in a different way. So this is pretty cool. They're both pure Nemo, and this is Vince. They are from the Alvastaria series. So this Vince is the limited edition version. And Azone has started to put this fabulous sticker on here, this limited edition sticker. But you know what? I'm not letting this sticker intimidate me. I'm not letting it. I'm gonna open this doll. I'm gonna open him, I'm gonna take him out, I'm gonna dress him. Whole 9 yards. I am not leaving him in his box. I will not let a sticker intimidate me. Let me tell you. Okay, so I got both these guys from Fabric Friends Dolls. Sorry, clearing my throat. Yeah, both of these dolls came from Fabric Friends Dolls. I ordered them online. I tell you guys this all the time, but both North American dealers, Tessina and Fabric Friends Dolls, have access to limited edition or direct store Azone dolls, guys. So you don't have to do proxy services or anything crazy like that. If you do it on time, mind you, if a doll sells out, a doll sells out. But if you get it, you know, the day a doll is available, you can have your doll. All right, so let's go ahead and open both of these guys up. I'm super excited to see them and share them with you. We'll start with this guy. Very intimidating, this sticker business. So there we go. There's his first Vince, direct store Vince, and he is part of the Alvastaria in Another Dream series. I'm not sure what the difference is. Maybe they're like supposed to be doppelgangers? Not sure. But hey. So there he is. There's his outfit. All right, we've got both of them here. So he's got the black outfit, and then this Vince has got the like white outfit. Got some cute boots that come with them. A little promo picture. Ah, they look so cute. I really, really do enjoy the Alvastaria series, guys. I think it's pretty freaking, I love it. It's like got the steampunk feel to them, but the dolls have a soft look. I don't know, I like it. And I wanna make more clothes inspired for them. Maybe a little 1/6 scale diorama for them as well. So let's put this to the side. Okay, now I can open him. So let's go ahead and take him out. Look at him. I'm gonna remove the little head thing. Oop. Okay, and like all Azone dolls, his hair's a little too slick. I think they use saran is the type of hair that they use, and saran has a little bit of an oily feel. Not my favorite type of doll hair, but it, you know, over time, like the waxiness comes out and you can like do a little more with a doll's hair. So give them a little fluff for a minute. Fluff. Okay, so I am not feeling these elbow joints. I don't know about you guys, but I don't like these elbow joints. So he's got the full flexion body, I do believe. Yeah, cool. And then we got foot. Oh, foot's not on. He's missing a toe, guys. Go ahead and take this out. There we go. Nope, that's not. I can't get his foot on. Oh, there we go. There's his foot. All right, so there he is, guys. I think I like Vince's face. It's like kind of mature but sweet at the same time. I don't know a lot about the Pure Enamel characters, so I'm gonna say that he was a good choice for the first tan skin guy. Like, it fits him very well. Very distinguished. I like the skin color. I think it's really good. I know some people have commented about like not the skin color looking too yellow or anything like that. I think it's a really good skin color. Actually kind of reminds me of my tiny person's skin color. So I think they did really well on it. I like his outfit, like the chaps. I think that's kind of funny. He's got chaps over, let's see, what are the chaps over? Over regular pant, over like some capri pants. That's fun. Plain t-shirt. And then he's got this little vest in here. So look, little vest, nice details. On the inside, closed seams, not completely closed seams. I'm sure it would be hard to close these seams, but that's fine. Get your arm in there. There we go. Outfit. I like it a lot. I think it's a little mysterious. Has a little bit of rogue feel to it. So, oops. Get his hair in there. All right, and there he is. I like him a lot. I think they did really well. Yeah. So let's go ahead and open up the other guy and see what he looks like. All right, so here he is, the other Vince, the other version of Vince. So he's got blonde hair, and this guy's got silver hair. What do you guys prefer, silver or blonde? I actually I like the silver, and I kind of don't like the blonde. I kind of don't like the blonde. I wish they had gone with like a brown, like a light brown, almost like a honey brown. I think would have looked a little better on him. Might end up rerouting this guy, giving him a reroute, in a different style, because I actually kind of don't like the pirate haircut. I also don't think I like the pirate haircut because it was really big when I was in high school, way back when junior high in the 90s. Yeah, that T-Boz pirate haircut that I so chose and shouldn't have. Anyway, so here he is. Like I said, I'm not a fan of the blonde hair, and their outfits are just, I mean, this one looks cool because it's all dark, but this one, I don't know how I feel. Maybe I'm gonna have to get his jacket on and boots and everything and see how I like the outfit overall. So let's go ahead and get them completely dressed and compare. All right, guys, so I got them all dressed, ready to go, and then I realized they did not come with extra hands. Not a thing with these dolls. Not a totally huge deal, but kind of like a deal breaker. Like, if I had known before, I probably wouldn't have bought two, but I would have bought one. Just because, I mean, it does limit the dolls a little bit, and I am accustomed and used to all my other dolls coming with the spare hands, so you can like kind of get different movements, different expressions, put things in their hands. Like, a little more variety with the dolls when you're taking photos. That's kind of my main concern. Yeah, I don't know what's up with that. I don't know if it's because they're the first and Azone is just testing out the waters, or what they're doing and why they only had one set of hands. It just doesn't, it's bewildering to me. If that's like a normal thing, if some dolls do come with one set of hands from Azone, if the extra hands is a new thing, comment down below, let me know. New to me. I do like them. You know, regardless, I'm definitely going to reroot his hair. The blonde is just, it's not doing it for me. I'm gonna do it like a nice honey brown or something, maybe. Yeah, I'm not sure. Maybe I'll do it a crazy color. Who knows? I like their outfits and everything. I do, now that I got the hand thing stuck in my head though, I do wish if they were only going to do these dolls, these are going to be the only tan skin dolls, I wish they had done completely different outfits for them. Now, Azone usually does, you know, one doll in various different outfit color schemes, things like that, different hairstyles. That's just, you know, that's that set for that doll. So that's normal. But what I'm saying is I wish that they had done a different outfit if they were just kind of, if this is just a one-off thing. If they're just testing the waters one-off, they might do it, they might not do it. I wish they had made it a little more unique, a little more special, and given them two different outfits. Just my opinion, my cup of tea. I would have preferred it. I can always make them different outfits, not a big deal. Probably gonna make them something a little more fancy, as all the other Alvastaria dolls do have stuff that's a little more dressed up. These guys are definitely like dressed down, look more like they would work on like a train or something, not so much like townspeople. So I think their look fits them just fine. But yeah, so the no hands thing, bugging. I don't know what to say about that, but it does, it bugs me. So that's it for the first Fabulous Friday. Don't forget to like this video and comment down below. Tell me what you think of the dolls. Like, do you think that Azone is just doing a one-off and we won't see any more tan skin dolls if they're just testing the waters? If this is your first time watching one of my videos and you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you can get notifications of all the goodness that's going to be coming starting next month. Till next time.